Hi there, my name is Saxon from Wild Oak Trail. In our last video, we unboxed the Clearbrook system and its filters. I'm now going to show you how you can actually prime these as well. It comes with a priming button. If you have a traditional sink tap, it's quite simple. We also do sell a primer, which I've done other videos on, and we'll link that below, on how to actually prime it with a primer that we have. And the button comes with the filter, and so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put the priming button onto the filter. We've got the wing nut at the top of it that's already pre-installed. We just make it so that it's about a quarter turn up here. We're going to place the wing nut and the priming button together. As you can see, gives a good resistance. You want to make sure you got cold water. You might see some water squirt out here, but we're now going to put this right up here. I'm going to push up. I'm going to turn on the water slowly and allow pressure to come through. And if you can see, we've got some fizzing going on, and that's exactly what we want. I don't know if the camera can pick up the noise or not. Oh, there we go. We're going to go a little slower, and they say you want to do this for 2 minutes, or for 1 minute, sorry. So I'm going to go ahead. My wife will go ahead and stop the video now, and I'll fast forward and we'll assemble these. All right, so we're back now, and with your filters, you're going to get 4 rubber plugs. And so that's if you only had 1 filter, you could put 3 in there. If you have the 4 filters, because this system can hold up to 4, then you wouldn't need these plugs. We have 2 for ours, so I'm just going to show you how to put these in here. We've actually cleaned our system as well before using it, which is a good thing to do. So you will see here that it slopes downwards to create that seal. So the first one I'm just going to put in here, and we're just going to push in as much as we can. And just so that you can see it comes out the other side. And so the whole point of this is going to be so that it blocks the water, and that only the water that gets through is your wonderful filtered water. All right, so now we're back at the sink. I'm going to put in to the 2 filters. So I'm going to grab these here. This is one of them. I'm going to unscrew this wing nut here. It comes with a washer, a rubber one here, to make a tight seal. We want to keep that on there. We're going to put that on the inside. I'm going to grab one on this side here, guide it through. Just going to turn this around for you guys. So I've got that there. Try to make it as straight. You can maybe see in the video, you can see the rubber washer on the other side. And you're just going to want to make it so that it's tight. And I'm going to go ahead and we'll come back and I will have done the second one as well. All right, so now that we've gone ahead and primed our filters, we've got it all ready to go. We're just going to start filling it up with water. You put it up to the top. It's going to drain out. Let the first batch just drain it out basically, and then refill it. Let it do 1 cycle. And then you're good to enjoy water for years to come, depending how often you use it. If you have any questions, please feel free to 844-945-3625. Also available at our website at wildoaktrail.com by chat. And we look forward to hearing from you. Have yourself a great day.